on this run, he actually broke one of his leads, going after a rabbit, nonetheless. In the last showing that I did, there was a rabbit in the distance that he didn't see, and this one actually come running out in front of him, and he snapped his lead. Hence the reason why I have him hooked to a prong collar and to his pulling harness. But right now, he's just kind of trotting along. He's not even right now. He's extended because I've got it hooked to his prong collar. Too much enticement. Yeah, see, exactly. There's a rabbit right there that he's going after. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going on a ride. Slow down. Ryder, come. Ryder, come. Now, in this situation, since it is kind of going into dusk, I let my dog be a dog. Go get that bunny. He needs to get some of that frustration out somehow. He is a Weimaraner. You can hear him in the bushes. I have no idea what that crash was. So, we're going to go on a little trip here through the trees. I think my dog just disappeared into the cornfield. And I'm pretty sure that's exactly what he did. He's going to come popping out somewhere. As you can see, he's got that huge way down here. That's what's nice about disappearing behind these trees. The cops can't find you with your dog off leash. But my guy will not harm anything except for small, fluffy, and bushy-tailed. Just whistling to him. I hear his tags. Come on, Ryder! He is in the middle of this cornfield. Come on, big boy, I hear ya! There he is! You gotta get on over here, and there he goes, man. He's still running. Even after all that pulling, he still has energy to go after stuff. Now, his favorite part of this is not only is the corn high enough for him to hide in, but over there by that utility shed. Hey! Stay over here. Over there by that utility shed down there is a irrigation ditch that he likes to kind of dip himself into. He's just a happy-go-lucky pup. There he goes. You see him running in there. He's about to go running into the corn again. But he is my service dog, so he will come and check on me every once in a while. Now, this is going to be funny if he goes inside those hoops again. This is soccer field. There are soccer nets on the other side of this. He got stuck in there last week, and it was hilarious because he couldn't get out. He pretty much got himself stuck. Yep. I think I just saw him jump down into the ditch. Yeah. I hear my booger. Oh, there goes the bike. Hi! Did you believe it? I just gave him a bath, too. And look how icky that is. And he likes to go swimming in that. Yuck. And he did. He's in the soccer nets. You are such a dork. This is how he got stuck last time. Where are you going? You're stuck now. You're a booger. Yeah. Ryder, come on. I don't know what you're after, but you are really intent on getting it. I heard something moving. Moving in the bushes.